This JMP demonstration shows how to make box plots. We're using the car physical data from JMP's sample data folder. A box plot visually summarizes the distribution of a continuous variable. To create one, go to Graph, Graph Builder. Drag a continuous variable to either the X or Y axis, and then select the box plot icon from the palette at the top of the window. Optional box plot properties appear at the bottom left. For example, you can change the box plot style, or you can select the 5-number summary to display the median, upper and lower quartiles, and minimum and maximum values of the distribution. You can add categorical variables to the graph to compare distributions across groups. Here, we'll drag type to the x-axis to compare horsepower distributions across different types of cars. To include the data points in the graph, just drag the points icon into the graph frame. Note that we've used only Graph Builder here, but you can also produce box plots and summary statistics using the distribution platform under the Analyze menu.